Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Did you study? How much? Amal is still studying? Amal Raj, you're still studying or revising? Hmm? Shall we start? Okay. It would be better if you note down the questions. So later on we can refer, no? In your lecture note or somewhere, please note down the questions. I told you it'll be an oral test, no? Okay. Who wants the first question? Who wants the first question? Aishwarya. Okay. Which model on abnormality or abnormal behavior talks about the friendly nature of human beings and self-actualization?
Humanistic model. Humanistic existential model.
Okay, very good. That is humanistic existential model. The basic concept is to self-actualize. They consider that human beings are born with a friendly nature, with a positive nature, with full potential to acquire anything. Then, next question. Amal Raj. What is the full for? Close the book. Everybody close your books. Close the textbook. What is the full form of DSM? DSM. That is very important, guys. If you don't know, please note it. DSM. If you don't know, just tell me don't know. No problem.
I forgot.
You forgot. You know ICD? Just make a guess. Under what did we study DSM and ICD? If you know that, you'll get very soon.
It was by World WHO.
WHO. ICD is by WHO and DSM is by
American
Psychiatric Association. Correct. APA. Okay, DSM is from APA and ICD is from WHO, World Health Organization. Under what topic did we study DSM and ICD? Why do we need DSM and ICD? To dash disorders. Fill in the blanks. Huh?
And diagnose.
Diagnose and also classify. So you got two keywords. Now you will, you can guess what DSM and ICD would expand as. Still no idea. No, it's okay. Elvina, what is DSM?
Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Disorders.
Yeah, Diagnostic and Statistical Manual. If you don't know, learn it again, okay? Diagnostic and Statistical Manual, that is DSM. What is ICD, Mehek?
International Classification of Diseases.
International Classification of Diseases. Don't make a mistake there. It's not disorders, it's diseases. Since it's by WHO, World Health Organization. Health means the entire thing, no, not only the psychological one. So it deals with all the diseases, International Classification of Diseases. That's very important. Mark it there. Mark that question as important. Then, which are the 3 types of phobias? Grishma. Which are the 3 types of phobia? Grishma. What did I ask you? Yes, the 3 types of phobias.
Yes, ma'am.
Which are they?
Question 3 types of phobias.
Phobia.
Specific phobia,
Specific phobia.
agoraphobia,
Agoraphobia.
then social anxiety disorder.
Social phobia. We generally call it social phobia. Okay, fine. Then, next question. Who did not get a question? Meghna. Okay. Tell me, what does the psychodynamic model suggest of abnormal behavior?
It's the oldest and most famous model, and the behavior abnormal or normal behavior. It determines by the psychological forces within the person, and it can instinctive needs, drives and impulses, which is it, rational thinking, which is ego, and moral standards, which is superego, and
so it would be because of the unconscious desires or conflicts, the intrapsychic conflicts that people have. The abnormality or abnormal behaviors are caused because of the intrapsychic problems, intrapsychic conflict. Note down that term, intrapsychic conflict. That's very important in psychodynamic. Intrapsychic conflicts are the ones who cause these abnormal problems in people, abnormal disorders, abnormal behaviors or thoughts in people. Intrapsychic conflicts. Okay. Amal, next one. Can you name a few neurotransmitters? At least one. Neurotransmitter. Do you know what a neurotransmitter is? No.
Yep.
No. Yes. It's not clear, dear. Please speak louder. Do you know what a neurotransmitter is? No. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, tell me then. Give me examples.
Name
You don't know. Okay. Somebody else? Mehak?
Gamma aminobutyric acid.
What do you call it commonly?
GABA.
GABA. We call it GABA. Then, any other? The reward pathway one. Which gives us pleasure or relief.
Dopamine.
Dopamine, yes.
Serotonin.
Serotonin. Okay, GABA, dopamine, serotonin. These three can be examples of neurotransmitters. Okay. Now, next question. Name any two anxiety disorders. Amal Raj. Any two.
General anxiety disorder.
We commonly call it GAD, general anxiety disorder. Then
Panic disorder.
panic disorder. Okay. General anxiety disorder and also panic disorder. Aishwarya, can you name the others? Other anxiety disorders?
What already he's adding here. My next card.
GAD and panic disorder. That's what he told.
Then social disorders. Social phobias.
Social phobia, all the sets
Social
of...
anxiety disorder.
Then one more such anxiety is there.
Those phobias.
Phobias are there. Panic disorder,
then-
GAD. Now one more is there, no? The last one. The last one we learned in anxiety disorders.
Separation anxiety disorder.
Separation anxiety disorder. Okay. These are the anxiety disorders. Then I told you to study till that point, no? Separation anxiety. Okay. Now, next question. Elvina, what does the cognitive model suggest?
In cognitive model, this model states that if a person have assumptions that is not
The person has
assumptions that is illogical and illogical about themselves, not illogical about themselves, which is for the development which is not appropriate.
So basically abnormality is caused because of the cognitive problems. The way people think, the way people try to understand certain things, the way they process something. If that is negative, if they are having a negative attitude towards something, if they are having negative cognitions towards something, especially towards themselves. Suppose one person is having negative thoughts about themselves. I am bad, I am not good at anything, I am useless, I am worthless, all those sorts. What would happen to that person in the near future? We have studied so much of disorders and we are studying therapy. No, so you tell me, what would happen to that person?
He would have depression.
Yeah, certainly that person would suffer from at least a depressive episode would be there. So that's why we are studying psychology. Remember the goals of psychology that we learned last year? One among them was prediction, to predict behavior. Okay, this is how we do that. All right. Then, yeah, what are the roles of genetic factors in causing abnormality? Sneha?
Anxiety will be there.
No, tell me how can or do the genetic factors have a role in causing abnormality? If
Yes,
yes, how or why?
yes, ma'am.
Mm,
Because abnormality can be in the form biologically, it can be there,
mm, mm,
then psychologically,
mm,
social culture,
mm.
then interpersonal.
Mm. Can you give me an example of how genetic factors influence or cause certain abnormality?
If a mother, the maternal relation, if a mother didn't give much care to the child,
Mm.
they may develop okay, if parents are like too overprotection and
But that is a social factor, no. I'm talking about genetic factors, biological ones. Genetic factors means? What does that mean?
during inherited.
Inherited. The factors that are inherited. So, as hereditary, um, the disorder might run in families, isn't it? So, genetic factors have a role. Also, the chromosome problems, the improper linkage, all those might lead to other genetic problems which might cause psychological abnormalities. Similarly, give me any one example, one simple example.
Mm.
Take the case of depression. How can you prove that genetic factors have a role in depression, in
If
causing
a
depression?
mother is facing depression during the period of pregnancy, the child may inherit it, like
Inherit. Yeah. Not
maybe
only
the
the mother and child, if a disorder runs in your family, and if you are born into that family, then you have a high chance that you will suffer from that disorder. You are at risk. You are vulnerable to that particular disorder. Got it? That is how we prove genetic factors. Okay, then. What do you know about the diathesis stress model, Grishma?
According to diathesis stress model, psychological disorders occur when a diathesis is set off by stressful situations.
Mm.
So for that, the person first needs to be uh, predisposed.
You tell me whatever you know, no problem.
And they should have some biological factors which make them vulnerable
Mm.
to psychological disorders.
Mm.
Then they should face stressful situations which set off these.
Problems.
Uh,
Mm.
uh,
Okay. So, what does the term diathesis mean generally?
Biological predisposition or biological factors that make people vulnerable.
So, vulnerability generally, that is the vulnerability to have a certain disorder, diathesis. Okay, in the presence of stress. That's why we call it diathesis stress model. If you are vulnerable plus you have stress, when they mix, of course you'll have a disorder, isn't it? It might be any kind of vulnerability, and here we're discussing about the biological vulnerability. That's it. Fine, that's enough, no? I'm bored of asking these questions. Okay, next, which all disorders you want for the next one? And please study in deep. That's why I'm giving small portions. Okay, Amal, revise it continuously. Otherwise, you'll forget again. You would have even forgot about the test. That's why I personally texted you. Okay. And then you'll come to the class and say, which test? What test? Test. Yeah. Isn't it? Okay. Till which portion do you want? Open the text now. We'll start from OCD, obsessive compulsive disorders. How many of you find it easy to write the answer than say? Rishma, Meghna, Amal. You all like writing than telling the answer so that you can think and write, no? Okay. Do you want a written test then? Huh? Tell me something. Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How many of you want it? You're a minority here. Let's see. Let's see. Decide the portion first and then we'll think of it. We have OCD, trauma related, somatic, dissociative. I think that's enough. Till dissociative. Can you study for the next class? You have to study obsessive compulsive, trauma and stress related, somatic symptom related, then dissociative disorders. Till page number 79. No need of depressive disorders just before that. Okay? Study that for the next class. Not like this. Okay. I'll try and get some application level questions also for this.
Ma'am, which day?
Which day? Whenever we are having the next class. Not today, the next day. Are we having it tomorrow? Do you have any other works in between? If yes, we'll postpone. Otherwise, study. It's a small portion, no? It'll take hardly 30 minutes. You want to postpone or we'll fix for tomorrow?
Tomorrow there is no class.
There's no class.
I mean psychology class.
No.
No. Thursday.
Tomorrow is Wednesday. Tomorrow we don't have. So then Thursday.
Ma'am, we have last period.
My statement is better. Whenever we are having next class, we'll have a test. Okay? Study. That's enough. Only a small portion. Even if it is today, I should have put. But it's okay. Tomorrow or day after or in the coming classes. Fine. All confusions are over, right? Yeah. Okay. Now take a new chapter. Therapies. Okay, we'll start with psychodynamic. Before that, how do we decide or how do we classify? Based on what do we classify the therapies? We drew a flow chart, remember? Tell me one point, one by one.
What is the cause?
What is the cause? Okay. Then we drew the arrow. What was that?
How did the cause come into existence?
Yeah. How did it come into the scene? Don't write like that. You have to write the exact point. Okay, then. After that,
Nature of the cause.
nature of the cause. Then,
Benefit of the client.
Benefit of the client. Then, before the client benefits, there should be something between the therapist and the client, isn't it? What is that?
Relationship between the client and the therapist.
Yes, the nature of the relationship. That's also important. Then, how would the client benefit? What should the therapist do?
And treatment.
Treatment or therapy. Okay, the mode of therapy, the methods of therapy, that's also important. Now, did we miss anything? Duration of treatment. Last one. Okay, duration of treatment. Based on this, we decide or we classify the different therapies. Now, which were the 3 categories? Categories of therapies. We already studied that, no? Yes.
Psychodynamic behavior and humanistic.
Existential psychotherapies, which was known as the third wave, third force. Third force or third wave? Third force.
Existential.
Okay. Existential is known as the third force. You won't notice that. It's not given in bolded words. Please note that if you have not marked. Existential therapies, they are known as third force. Okay, third force. Okay. So again, which is the oldest form? Psychodynamic therapy is the oldest form of therapy. Psychotherapy, psychodynamic is the oldest form of therapy. And obviously, who started performing psychoanalysis?
Sigmund Freud.
Sigmund Freud. Amalke Saji, you know who Sigmund Freud is? You know? Yes, okay. So in psychodynamic perspective, what all do we discuss about? What all did we discuss about? The main word I told you about.
Intrapsychic conflicts.
Intrapsychic conflicts. Okay. Now, intrapsychic conflicts. What are intrapsychic conflicts?
Those are the conflicts between id-ego and superego.
Yes, the conflicts between id-ego and superego. Now, unconscious desires, unconscious wishes, then unconscious fears that we have in our unconscious mind. All these are the main causes of our abnormality. That's the main assumption of psychodynamic theories. Okay, so we apply that in psychodynamic therapy, psychodynamic oriented therapy. So after Freud's concepts, some people modified these concepts. What were they called as? In personality chapter we learned?
Post-Freudian.
Post-Freudian, also called, starting with N, who modified these concepts. Neo-Freudians. Okay. Then remember Carl Jung? Carl Jung, yes. Carl Jung also took many concepts from Freud's theories and then modified it. And that is why, see page number 94. That is why it is known as analytical psychology. Remember analytical psychology? Jung's concepts. The collective unconscious. Then we learned about archetypes and all. That was in Carl Jung's concept. That's why it's called analytical psychotherapy. Okay. Meghna, can you read the first paragraph?
Psychodynamic therapy. As you have already read, the psychodynamic therapy pioneered by Sigmund Freud is the oldest form of psychotherapy. His close collaborator, Carl Jung, modified it to what came to be known as the analytical psychotherapy. Subsequently, Freud's successors, known as Neo-Freudians, established their own versions of classical psychodynamic therapy. Broadly, the psychodynamic therapy has been conceptualized the structure of the psyche, dynamics between different components of the psyche, and the source of psychological distress. You have already studied this concept in the chapters on self and personality and psychological disorders. The method of treatment, steps in the treatment, nature of the therapeutic relationship, and the expected outcome from the psychodynamic therapy are explained below.
Okay. Now, which were the two methods of psychoanalysis? We learned that in the first chapter, I think. First chapter? Psychoanalytic methods.
Dream analysis.
Dream analysis and one more.
Pre-association.
Pre-association. So we'll do one activity now. Okay. Take one paper and pen. When you're ready, when you're ready, show me a thumbs up. Elvina. Okay. Amal Square. Ready? Okay. When I count 1 to 3, you have to start writing anything that comes to your mind. 1, 2, 3. Anxiety. Write fast. Whatever you're thinking about, write. Make it into words. Right, man. Don't look at me and sit.
Ma'am, what should I write?
Whatever you're thinking about. Others don't listen. Right. No interruption should be there. Don't listen here. Whatever you're thinking right now, write down.
How many names?
Anything that is coming into your mind now. Right now you thought what should I write? No, even you can write that. Okay, stop. Aishwarya, start reading. Fast.
Tears, army, cat, car, snow, summer, spring, blood, sweat, tears, fire, mother, grandmother, hand, leg, hair, glass, dope, AC, fan, pink, mic, stone, pen, pencil, book, UK, Canada, India, South Korea, Aram, Jin, Sugar, Jehopak, Jimin, V, Jungkook, Kirtana, Meghna, Raina,
What language is this? Okay, Kirtana then.
Then Meghna, Raina, L, Venus, L, I wrote.
Okay. El Nino. Where did the El Nino come from? I am freely associating. Okay. Elvina, read.
Chapati. And food and Freud hypnotism because when Dream analysis, I thought of that hypnotizer.
Let it be.
And my cousin is crying, so I'm being aware of her. And birds chirping, and to complete the to-do list, and drawing.
Okay. Sneha.
What to think, what to write is what I'm thinking. This has become a major issue for me when I'm sitting simply, that is what to think. Thinking about what to think is not as much as annoying as everyone thinks. Thinking about what to think till there, I don't know what to think.
This is free association again. Meghna.
Fluid, chocolate, pen, water, fan, dream analysis, method, class, time, names, talking, listening, nothing, what, when will the class end, seminar, and it's the next class, paper, what to write next, then Aishwarya, Sneha, ma'am, and Delvina. I didn't get to write right.
You wrote ma'am?
I am ma'am, you.
Okay. Amal Raj.
Now, one thing, when will the class get over? About the statue of Sigma Fruit handsome. About my mother.
What?
When will the class get over?
That I understood. Next one.
About the ransomware.
Ransom.
Computer virus.
Virus.
About my mother. Then a zombie talking Jonathan James.
What was the last one?
About great hacker Jonathan James.
Okay, fine. Amal Kesaji.
Ma'am, Messi, what should I write? Thinking, book, pen, mobile, earphone, paper, mirror. How should I wake up
How should you wake up?
for tomorrow's match? Morning.
What time is the match?
6:30.
Oh my
5:30.
God. Oh my God. At what time do you wake up for classes?
When my mother called.
Okay. Meg.
Well, the class is pretty interesting, but I'm so hungry. Today is going to be a pretty good day. I'm glad that I woke up early. I'm worried about biology seminar. I want to play with kittens. I miss my mother already. It's surprising that I woke up without her scolding me.
I miss my mother. But I didn't hear the last one. Oh God, she got stuck. Okay, Grishma. Grishma. Read.
Food, hungry, things to do, notes to write, feelings to add, psychology class, call mother.
Last one?
Call mother.
Call mother. Why? For help.
My mother.
Huh?
Call my mother.
For what? Simply.
She's not here.
She's not here. Okay.
Call her on the phone.
Over the phone. All right. I thought you wanted to call her for helping. Okay, one more activity. We have 4 minutes remaining, no? Okay, sit relaxed, everyone. If you want, you can lean backward and sit. Take a deep breath. Okay, now close your books. Close your books. Textual content is over. Now, I'll tell one word. You have to tell me the word that comes to your mind when you hear that word. That's it. Simple. Okay. We start with Sneha. School.
Buildings.
Reshma. Sunset. Sunset.
Consent.
Sunset. Evening
Sunset.
set.
Orange.
Orange. Okay. Aishwarya, snake.
I fear.
Then Elvina. Man.
Woman.
Animus. Archetype. Then Grishma already did. Mehak. Time.
Clock.
Clock. Okay. Meghna. Mother.
Father.
Who didn't get a chance? Amal Raj. Amal, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
India.
Yeah. Ma'am, about BrahMos.
About?
BrahMos missile system.
What? I didn't understand.
Ma'am, about BrahMos missile.
What? Missile.
Ah.
Okay. Then Amal Kesaji. Green.
Grass.
Grass. Okay. Aishwarya. Sister.
Brother.
Sneha. Flower.
Rose.
Okay. Kevin, it's not yet time. 1 more minute. Okay. Mehak. Pot.
What?
Pot. P-O-T. Pot.
Flower.
Flower. Elvina. Food.
Starving.
Are you hungry now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Meghna. Role model.
BTS.
Amal Kesaji. Psychology.
Man.
Okay, enough. We freely associate a little bit. Okay. Read up that portion. That free association and dream analysis is coming the next portion. Read that and come for the next class. Okay, it'll be easier for us to study. Okay. Thank you. Just a minute.